What's up, guys? This is Crystal Rains. This is part 2 of rating my fidgets. Remember, comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share. Okay, so we're fidget rating. A lot of my fidgets are puppets. We already done those here, and we already done that. This puzzle puppet ain't that good. So definitely, it's really good. So it's like kind of outside, but it's not bad. So I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. Oh my gosh, this snapper is so pretty. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. This puppet, I like it. Just the soft side ain't that good. So this is a 4 out of 10. This one is a hard puppet. So this is really a 6 out of 10. And an infinity cube, it's really pretty. It's galaxy. I think this is definitely a 10 out of 10. This puppet, it is dark blue like turquoise. This is the soft side. It's really good. So this is maybe a 8 out of 10. Here's this one. It's a light blue. So it's really pretty. It's my favorite. This has to be probably a 9 out of 10. Also, I have this cute little puppet. This is the soft side. This is the loud side. This is so cute. This is definitely a 4 out of 10. I have these emojis. This is a pupper fish. This is I think a purple monkey. Yeah. My monkey noodles, the purple monkey is a 4 out of 10. This is also a 10 out of 10 because how cute it is. Monkey noodles is 8 out of 10. Panda mochi, 3 out of 10. This mochi, 4 out of 10. This one, a marble mesh, definitely a 4 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Bye, Crystal Rains. Watch for next video. Bye.